Hello YouTubers, welcome back again. Today we are going to see how we can do multi-insertion in our table. So I have copied code from our last video. This one is our insertion query. I'm just going to create a variable of this query, and in the place of value I'm just going to put %s. Okay, now SQL query is ready. Now we have multiple data, right? So if you have a multiple data, that means it should be some like a list or list or list of tuples and or list of dictionary. So if you want to insert in our table, you need a specific data type, list of tuples. So let's just create a variable. Variable name is data equal to list of tuple. So first one, the value length should be same because we need two information, name and contact number. Also sequence name should be the same. So Krishna, and the number is some random numbers, not Krishna because I have already inserted a Krishna value. So here I'm just adding ABC. Again, the next tuple is for XYZ information. This is also a user info. Okay, some other user info is Krish, not a Krish. Just here Marcus, and the contact number is 0000. Okay, now we have three user info here. So we have to pass here execute many. Now method we need to call is execute many, and here we have to pass our SQL variable, also our data variable. Right, now it is done. Now you are good to go. So let's just execute our command. Let's just clear your terminal. Python 3 multi-insert.py. Now you can see three rows inserted, right? So yeah, that's it from this video. Guys, we will see in an upcoming video how we can check our data. So thanks for watching our video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. Thank you so much, guys.